Hi guys, if you've got an iPhone product or iPad and your camera flash is not working properly, then pay close attention and I will show you how to fix this issue permanently. So as you can see, this is an iPhone 13 Pro. It works on any iPhone. So guys, listen, I've had this problem where I tried to take a picture at night. Well, sunrise was coming down and it didn't work. The flash did not show. So what I had to do is I had to play around with the settings and find out what's going on. Why is it not working? So I flicked up the screen just like this. There's a secret button here. So this is the flash. So it's got three options: auto, on. So let me go back. Flash, auto, and then you got on and off. So I left it on auto. Still no joy. And then I flick back up and then I put flash on. So as you can see, the icon changes to yellow. So this is when you know the flash will come on. So I press the flash, now it flashes. You see guys? Basically, it seems like Apple has added a secret menu to the camera. So the flashlight will come on any picture mode setting. Also, it works on the video recorder too. So you know what to do now. Just swipe up and then this will be your camera flashlight settings. So this will work on the majority of the iPhones and the iPads as mentioned earlier. So guys, if this video has helped you, please like and subscribe and I will catch you on the next video. Also, please check out my other videos and that might become useful. And yeah, thanks for watching.